Do we have a crisis for US stock? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart and what's going on with Tesla. Do we need to avoid this stock? So today and yesterday, we have a big drop for Tesla. Do we need to panic? Do we need to sell whatever we have for Tesla? Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is a trading strategy and money mindset to help you learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends. Now we look at weekly chart first, okay? Don't be panic. I want to show you something. So first we look at this red line. This red line is YM Club Fast for weekly chart. So this is for weekly chart, the trend. The trend is still going downward. But one thing happened is you can see from last month, they're trying to battle with this, right? So basically they close just below that. You look at this closing price, the green candle, 263.55, okay? And you look at these figures, okay? The red line figures is 263.6, okay? With the difference, it's just 0.05, okay? And we look at this candle. This candle is this weak candle, okay? So not yet closed. We still have today. So basically the figure is 242.39, okay? And we are so far, we are under that by $2. That's it. Okay, 240 right now, 240 right now. So do we need to panic? I want to show you something. Oh, the first thing, in my channel, I will give you some free strategy. Look at the candle here. 1, 2, 3. It's downward, downward, down. Okay, number one, look at the volume. The volume is going upward, upward, upward. Okay, it's like a ladder. So in this kind of pattern, you can also see a big wick here, the big lower wick here. What does it mean? It means someone buying. And who is buying with such a big volume? Okay, you think about that. The second, so they have a lot of buying power here. Even this candle, buying power here. But also, now we have a selling power, right? But around this price, it seems like they have some buying power here. Why? Because I told you around 230, which is our, if you look at the daily chart, I told you with my indicator YM chip entry, you can see a bunch of the institution buying, a bunch, basically from this day, from 6th of February to 18th of March. Okay, so this is basically one of our bottom zone. And what happened is, if you follow my strategy, you should buy around here or even here, okay? But you should cut loss here already and you buy back here, or you keep both. Okay, so what happened is you buying around this area. Do you need to panic? No, because we are still doing okay. Okay, even they going down, do we still need to go to panic? YM Club Long, what's going on? We're still above the blue line. The blue line did not go downward. You can see they're changing the trend to flat. This is a very good news because hopefully we will soon to get rid of this downward trend. Okay, back to the weekly chart. Weekly chart. Now we go back to here. So what's going on is, if you look at the candle pattern and volume pattern, you will see here, they could be one of our bottom pattern here. Okay, this could be our, because the price going down, going down, going down, but the volume going up, going up. Who is buying? You think about that. The second thing I want you to look at is the YM cheapest. Okay, let me hide this first. Hide this first. YM cheapest to tell you institution. When we have this free candle, 1, 2, 3, look at this free candle. The YM cheapest, the pink, is going slightly going upward, slightly going upward. So what does it mean? It means the institution holding is increasing slightly here, this free candle, this free week basically. Okay, so this is a very good news. And then if we look at one more thing, look at this blue line. Okay, let me do this from the top to here. Basically, it's quite a strong resistance when we are below. We have one candle, two candle, try to battle with it and come down. And three candle, same here. Okay, 5, 6 here. Okay, and then once we go above, we become a support. And you can see here the candle movement here. Okay, they go down and they come back. They go up again. It's like a bounce. Boom. up. Now we are closing, we are getting really close to this blue line. Okay. Some people ask me, is it possible Tesla drop more? It is possible. They can do like this and this, use this as a support and go up again. Okay. But do we need to panic? If we buying with at the bottom zone, okay, I want to show you this. If we buy at the bottom zone, I don't want you to be panic. You're buying here, you're buying here, you're buying here, you're buying here. Basically, if we follow these green chips to buy, the YM chip entry, my exclusive indicator, you don't need to be panic because you buy, even they're going down, you're buying at the bottom, 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 at the bottom. Okay, so right now what's going on? The trend is not yet trend reversal, but at least we can catch the rebounds, okay, to get some profit. So this is the when it's at the bottom zone, you need to understand when the blue line going downward, this is a downward trend, okay? When it's low enough, the price when it's low enough, the institution will come to buy because the fundamental of the company doesn't change. It's the same, okay? It's still Elon Musk. We still trust Elon Musk. We still believe in Elon Musk. I'm sorry, if you don't believe in Elon Musk, don't buy this stock. Because when we buy the company stock, we need to believe in the CEO. Okay, otherwise never touch the stock. If the CEO, once they go to IPO, because I know people like that, once they go to IPO, they go to have fun, they go to nightclub, they forget about the company, they sell all the stock, done. And you buy the stock. No, if we buy the stock and the CEO is good and they're holding a lot of stock, this means they will work very hard for the stock, for the company. Does it make sense? So Elon Musk, we believe in him. That's why we're buying the stock. Okay. But of course, we look at the technical analysis as well. So now we look at this. We have a bunch of institutions coming in here. We just need to wait the bottom zone to be finished. The bottom zone can be a while. Look at this. Look at this. When it's downward trend, we have the bottom zone coming. Here, you show the bottom here, the institution buying. It takes a while for Tesla to come up, okay? But at least you can catch the rebounds like this, okay? Basically, here is 179 to 200, okay? Which is quite good return. And if we look back to the weekly chart, you can see here, okay? So it's not too bad, although we have so many candles come down. In my channel, I told you how to sell at the peak. We are selling here, basically. We're selling this area. We're buying the last buying we bought is here. Some buying we buy here, and some of us buying here with my strategy. You should selling here or reduce your holding here. Once the blue line change direction, you should sell here. Once you see here, when the blue line change the direction, and when they drop below the red line, this is our sell point. Basically, you should not hold stock during this area, okay? Unless you are buying this zone, okay? But you're not buying, nobody should buying around here, okay? If you bought Tesla around this area, please click like, subscribe, and share with your friend because you did not follow the strategy. You don't have any strategy. You're buying at the peak. But also, I should say thank you to you because one buy, one sell, right? We sell, someone need to buy. So does it make sense? So now we are buying here. Okay, we're buying. I'm sure someone's selling. That's why we can buy. For those did not follow my channel, right? So now if we look at the Tesla, the trend is changing to the flat. Basically, the trend from downward trend changing to sidewalk like this, sideways like this, fluctuate. We just need the blue change the direction, but we are very close to it. We are very close to it, okay? Do we need to panic? Last video, I show you, if you're a very short-term investor, you buy we buy here, right? We buy around here. And you sell with the red. You buy with the red, you sell with the red, or you can reduce. So basically, you're selling at this candle. Okay, you're selling at this candle. And after that, you have no buying here. There's no signal, although it's low. I know it's very low, but there's no buy signal here. The red line is short-term trend line. The short-term trend line from upward trend So this is a rebound, and now it's going downward. So you're going to have some correction here. Okay, so let's see, do we flash another green candle these few days? If they do, and it would be a very good opportunity for us to buy a bit more. But so far, we don't have signal to buy. Okay, and the short-term strategy, you're selling here. Okay, for if you buy with the blue, if you want to be a bit holding, you can still hold. Okay, we don't have sell signal for the blue yet. Okay, and for the for more, so I don't want you to be panicked. I know the market is very bad, and I also show you the video about S&P 500. This year would be very difficult year for S&P 500. Okay, so this is the update for Tesla. Let's look at YM Big Buy, the big volume trade. This is big volume trade. Red net sell, the green net buy. Very interesting. The weekly chart, you look at this three candle. Big volume trade. 1, 2, 3. It's going upward. And this is green. So it means net buying for big volume trade. So someone buying here. They are big shark. Okay? And hopefully we can flash a green candle for YM chip entry in weekly chart as well. This would be one of the best opportunity. Okay, if we flash weekly chart or monthly chart with the YM chip entry. So far, only daily chart, nothing in weekly chart. But the good thing is the YM big buy, we have big volume buying. Even the stock is so bad, so bad. Many people panic. But if you watch my video, you should not be panicked for Tesla. Okay, if you do, leave a comment below and tell me the reason, and hopefully I will give you more insights from the chart. Okay, so this is the update today for Tesla. Today we don't have buy signal, sell signal. I know today now is down by 9%, but do we need to panic? No, because we buy low enough. We are not buying at 450. We're not buying at 400. We're buying around 230, basically. So you are fine here. You're very fine here. Okay. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you guys have a happy weekend. And please stay safe and stay peaceful. And we pray for our earthquake people and area. And see you in the next video. Bye.